Hi guys, I'm back again with new song. This time I'm gonna reacting to a singer 2019 episode. What is the episode? I don't know what is the episode. I think it's episode 3. And this is a new singer Polina Gagarina. I think she's gonna be the best singer of singer 2019. So guys, watch till the end for my reaction. And subscribe to my channel Indian Reaction. Comment down below which type of video you want to watch. And hit the bell icon for notification because I am making every single day new video, but every week a new video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get the video started. Wow, what a voice!
Скажи, кукушка, пропой.
Wow.
В городе мне жить или на выселках камнем лежать и гореть звездой. Звездой. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так.
Wow. What? What a performance, guys.
Ласковый рассвет встречаешь.
Wow. Awesome. Mind. mind-blowing song, mind-blowing performance. I think this is one of the greatest singers of singer 2019, guys. She is analog. I don't know what is the spelling. Sorry for that. She's absolutely perfect, and her voice, amazing voice, wonderful voice, and she got the every beat of song perfect. So guys, please, those who are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, and those who are new, and share my video. Please share with your friends, family, and everyone possible. So bye bye, have a great day, be positive in your life, enjoy life, be wise.